Good morning, Jagendra Rana here. Topic of the day is Master Circular on Protection of Policyholders' Interests. Master Circular on Protection of Policyholders' Interests. The Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India has issued a Master Circular on Protection of Policyholders' Interests 2024, which gives details on norms on the protection of policyholders' interests. So the latest circular combines policyholders' entitlements into a comprehensive reference document. It focuses on measures towards providing a seamless, faster and hassle-free claim settlement experience for policyholders, while improving service standards to foster a climate of trust and transparency within the insurance sector. Now, as per the notification, both the life and general insurers are mandated to provide an essential summary of important information at various stages of an insurance contract. This includes guidance for prospects, policyholders, and customers prior to sale, at the proposal stage, upon receiving policy documents, during the policy terms, and at the time of claim for all insurance segments. The insurers have to provide a customer information sheet for all insurance segments outlining key policy features, benefits, and exclusions. So this proposal form and CIS must be made available in regional languages upon the customer's request. A 30 days free look period applies to both life and health insurance policies, allowing policyholders to review the policy terms and conditions. No premium proposal deposit is required to be paid to the life or health insurer along with the proposal form, except in the case of policies where risk cover commences immediately on receipt of the premium. Insurance companies are obligated to offer a search tool on their website to allow users to verify authorized distribution channels that are permitted to sell their insurance policies. All insurance policies must be issued in electronic format. This means that e-insurance policies can be signed digitally by the customer. If customer prefer, they can request the insurance company to issue their policies in a physical format. The insurer must issue the life insurance policy within 15 days of accepting the proposal form. With an insurance policy, a policyholder should get the following document from the insurance company: covering letter for the policy document informing the free look period, policy document, a copy of the proposal form submitted by the prospect, copy of benefit illustration, customer information sheet, copy of need analysis document under suitability assessment, if any, or any other documents as may be required by the specific product. The customer information sheet, CIS, is a crucial document that insurers mandatorily provide to their customers along with their insurance policies. It serves as a summary of the policy's key features and benefits, ensuring that policyholders are well informed about their coverage. According to regulations, the CIS must be provided in the format specified in Schedule D of the Insurance Act for life insurance policies. This ensures consistency and clarity for the policyholders. So this CIS document means key information included in a CIS, type of insurance, whether it is term, life, whole life, or another type of coverage, sum assured, the amount that will be paid to the beneficiary in case of a claim, benefits, a detailed explanation of the coverage provided by the policy, exclusions, a list of events or situations that are not covered by the policy, important details, information about the free look period, policy renewal date, options like policy revival, and loans and other relevant details. So the claims procedure, instructions on how to file a claim, policy servicing, information about customer support and assistance, grievance redressal, details on how to file a complaint, and the contact information of the insurance ombudsman. A timeline to settle claim for life insurance policy is also given, because according to the insurance regulator, the death claims, except in cases where investigation is required, should be settled within 45 days of initiating the claim. So in death claim, where investigation is required, the settlement should be done within 45 days of intimation of the claim. Surrender or partial withdrawal request should be settled within 7 days of initiating the claims. And the maturity benefits, survival benefits, annuity payouts, and income benefits should be provided on the due dates. In case the claim is not settled within the specified timelines, then the claimant is entitled to interest at bank rate plus 2% from the date of receipt of intimation till the date of payment. Such interest shall be paid by the insurer suo motu along with the claim amount. So the CIS for health insurance policy means a customer information sheet is mandatory for health insurance policyholders. It should include the following details like type of insurance, sum insured, coverage provided, summary of exclusions, which policy does not cover, sublimits, a predefined limit above which the insurer will not pay, deductibles, a specified amount up to which an insurer will not pay any claim, which will be deducted from total claim if the claim amount is more than the specified amount for co-payment, waiting period, the period during which specified diseases or treatments are not covered, and certain important things such as the free look period, policy renewal, migration, probability, and moratorium period. So it will also contain information regarding the claim procedure, policy servicing, and grievance redressal mechanism, including contact details of the insurance ombudsman of appropriate jurisdiction. Then the health insurance claim settlement rules are also explained, because insurers have been directed to streamline the cashless claim settlement process. According to the new guidelines, insurers must decide on request for cashless authorization within 1 hour of receiving them. Additionally, final authorization for discharge must be granted within 3 hours of receiving the request from the hospital. In no case the policyholder shall be made to wait to be discharged from the hospital. If there is a delay beyond 3 hours, the insurer will be responsible for any additional charges incurred by the hospital. In the event of a policyholder's death during treatment, insurers are required to process the claim settlement request immediately and ensure the release of the deceased mortal remains from the hospitals without delay. So the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority has issued a new master circular aimed at enhancing the protection of insurance policyholders' interests. This comprehensive circular introduces several updates and guidelines designed to improve transparency, ensure timely service, and better inform policyholders about their rights and the procedures surrounding insurance policies. A detailed breakdown of the key changes and what they mean for you as a policyholder are here. So the IRDA has issued a master circular on September 5, 2024 to update and protect the interest of policyholders. This circular outlines new regulations and guidelines designed to enhance transparency and ensure that policyholders are well informed about their rights and the procedures related to insurance policies. Now, under the latest guidelines, all the insurance policies must now be issued electronically. This means that policy document can be signed and received in a digital format. However, if a policyholder prefers a physical copy, they can request it from the insurance company provided this preference is stated in the proposal form. So, when purchasing a life insurance policy, policyholders should receive several important documents. These include a covering letter detailing the free look period, the policy document itself, a copy of the submitted proposal form, a benefit illustration, a customer's information sheet, and any additional document relevant to the specific product. These documents are intended to ensure that policyholders fully understand their insurance coverage and terms. Then the customer information sheet for life insurance policy provides a summary of key policy features. It includes the type of insurance such as term life or whole life, the sum insured and the benefits provided. The CIS also lists exclusions, details the free look period, policy renewal options and procedures for policy revival or taking loans against it. Additionally, it provides instructions on how to file a claim, information on policy servicing and the grievance redressal process, including contact details for the insurance ombudsman. Now, the period for life insurance policies with a term of 1 year or more is 30 days. During this period, policyholders have the option to return the policy to the insurer if they are dissatisfied with the terms without incurring any penalty. This allows policyholders to review the policy and ensure it meets their needs. So IRDAI mandates that death claim where no investigation is needed should be settled within 15 days of claim intimation. So for claims requiring investigation, settlement must occur within 45 days. Surrender or partial withdrawal request must be processed within 7 days, while maturity benefits, survival benefits, annuity payouts, and income benefits should be provided on the due date. If a claim is not settled within these timelines, the insurers must pay interest at the bank rate plus 2% from the date of receipt of intimation until the date of payment. Yes, the nomination is mandatory for life insurance policies. But nomination is mandatory when completing the proposal form for a life insurance policy. This requirement ensures that the claim amount is paid to the nominated individuals in the event of the policyholder's death. The policyholders can nominate one or more persons and specify the percentage of the claim amount each nominee will receive. For health insurance policies, the CIS must detail several key aspects. This includes the type of insurance, sum insured, coverage provided, exclusions, sub-limits, and deductibles. It should also cover co-payment requirement, waiting periods, and important policy features like the free look period, policy renewal options, migrations, and portability. So additionally, the CIS should provide information on the claims procedure, policy servicing, and the grievance redressal mechanism, including contact details for the insurance ombudsman. Now, insurers are required to streamline the cashless claim settlement process. They must decide on cashless authorization request within 1 hour and the grant final authorization for discharge within 3 hours of receiving the hospital's request. If there is a delay beyond these time frames, the insurer is responsible for any additional charges incurred by the hospital due to the delay. In cases where a policyholder dies during treatment, insurers must process the claim immediately and ensure the release of the deceased remains from the hospital without delay. For the policyholder with multiple health insurance policies from different insurers can file claim under any of their policies. The insurer chosen will be considered the primary insurer. If the chosen policy does not cover the full claim amount, the primary insurer will coordinate with other insurers to settle the remaining balance. This provision aims to simplify the claim settlement process and maximize the benefits for policyholders. So the guidelines for health insurance products offered by insurers are absolutely plain and simple. Insurers must provide a range of health insurance products that cater to diverse needs, including coverage for all ages, existing medical conditions, pre-existing diseases, and chronic conditions. The products should cover various systems of medicine such as allopathy and Ayush and include treatment for domiciliary hospitalization, outpatient care, and home care. Insurers must also ensure compliance with relevant laws, including the Mental Health Care Act, Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, and others to provide inclusive and comprehensive coverage. Thank you very much.